The chances are that you're still using the old Figma UI, but starting from today, you can actually try the new UI3. We made the entire Figma experience inside of Webflow. So what you see on my screen is the Figma app made in Webflow. I'll give you a short tour. So from this menu, we can actually go back to Files. This is our dashboard. And here you see elements are hoverable, they are interactable, you can click around. You can even come here to theme and change it to dark, what you probably prefer. We can go back to one of our projects, and here we launch the app. You see all in dark mode, interactable. You can click around. You can remove some of these styles, add them back in, use the new auto layout. Also click on these avatars. This is exactly what happens if you do it in the actual Figma app. You can also try clicking on follow here. We obviously have this newly redesigned toolbar, navigation, and you can click around. You can go to the dev mode, back to the design mode. You can also try clicking on this question mark, and all of this project was made as a proof of concept to do it for fun and also to show what we can do inside of Webflow. So if you like this project, please consider clicking on this share button. You will see what happens. We are still adding new features alongside with some Easter eggs, and one thing that I want to tease about it is the name of this project. It's called chickenoregg.webflow.io. You can go to the link and try it yourself, but also try guessing what's coming next to this project, because we are not going to stop here. We are adding a whole lot more here. This is just the start. And for the end of it, I want to show the project inside of Webflow. I hope that I can share this with you as a clonable soon, but just as you see like a preview, all elements are like actual like elements. They are not like screenshots or something. They are all like detailed elements, a lot of interactions and a lot of elements going into making this happen. So I hope you can appreciate and like this. Again, if you like it, you can try sharing it, and if you are looking for a team that can create, a killer app or any design or any website for you, you know who to contact. All right, this was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you. Peace.